Second test for the Planetary Gear crank binding. It's not going to need to go nearly that fast, so just wanted to see, make sure it worked all right. I had to change a couple things. I made the Planetary Gear 20 millimeters thick, and I bolted it down on the two ends extrusions, and I lined it up even with the 20-40 there so I could get that bracket on top, because when I put them on the side it would kind of pull apart when I use these to press the flour sifter in place. And I had to change this one on this side because of the handle to kind of get a little bit of clearance there. And it's on to the next step.